Hey guys, part 2. So if you guys didn't already know, I moved to Chicago. I got a job in Chicago and I just moved out at the end of June. If you're watching this any other time apart from when I uploaded, I have to set up my entire house. And when I mean entire house, I mean from salt, oil, every little thing. This pretty much came empty. If you have not seen part 1 already, I will link it up somewhere up. You guys can watch it, but this is going to be part 2, continuation of setting up my entire Chicago household. I slept on that comforter last night because my bed is coming in tomorrow. This one, guys, is a grocery cart. Essentially, it's like your carry-on suitcase but for groceries, and I got it on Amazon Basics. And I'll show you guys how much groceries I got, and it fit into this perfectly, and there's still a lot of space. I just dumped everything in a hurry. Best investment that I have made so far. You can just, lug it around town and get your stuff instead of carrying it in a cotton bag. Amazing, amazing, love it. I was just talking for like 20 minutes straight and I realized my phone was not recording, but that's good. I haven't started the haul anyway. So also, quick little PSA, not important. I haven't taken a shower because I don't have any of my shower products. They have just arrived there at the basement. They arrived yesterday, but then they put it in my tower and my space today, so I have to go pick it up. My internet is supposed to come today. I'm living on no Wi-Fi for day 2. It's supposed to arrive today and the setup is really easy, but even if the package arrives at the apartment, by the time it comes to it takes longer because it's an apartment complex. So before, let me preface by saying I've never been to Whole Foods. This is the first time I went to Whole Foods, and let me tell you, I lost my jam. I love grocery store shopping. I love going to any grocery store, especially if it is a new one. I enjoy it more than I enjoy going to like makeup aisles and stuff. If you are in the US, if you can relate to me at any point, please put it in the comments. This has my entire pantry, and if I open it, I've stocked up to the brim. I got this unsalted butter. This is not vegan. The vegan sections that I wanted to afford were sold out. Got a thing of canola oil. I also got yogurt. I got this tomato basil pasta sauce made with extra virgin olive oil. Look at that. Some garlic, my favorite, Oatly oat milk. This is the best non-dairy milk I have had, period. It's just the best. Like, I don't even miss milk. I've been having that for like the last month and a half, even back in Stickles, to get soft. I got these AeroPress filters, oregano, Italian seasoning, red pepper crushed, I-65 basil pesto. It's the end of this. You will never believe what I just got. Like, someone was moving out of my apartment and I got this whole full length mirror for $5. I am hoping that my bedroom and my mattress arrive today. I'm just gonna close my network over there, but yeah, I got my Wi-Fi set up and it took longer than it should have because I plugged into this one switch in my whole house that doesn't work. So my plan for day 3 is to actually, I'm not going to go anywhere today to get stuff. I still have to go to the Indian store and pick up stuff. God, guys, this is real life, okay? Like, no filters, like no fancy schmancy stuff. Like, this is like real life. I thought of going to the Indian store, but I'm not today because I still have to unpack my suitcases. I need to get scrubber and stuff out to start washing my dishes. I'm not going to buy paper kitchen towel because I don't want to contribute to more waste. I'm like trying to cut down on like a lot of that. I actually set up this lamp, like this big lamp, all by myself, and also got bulbs from Target yesterday and set this up. And I got some like dustbins, laundry basket, some like, I got some salad bowls and ceramic plates, like some like basic stuff. I was showing this earlier, so this is the salad kit that I got from Whole Foods. I'm also going to pick up these plant-based smoky spicy burgers. Looks so good. It has 12 grams of protein. Don't judge my pan. Oil is hot. This patty, which looks dead, will... Oops, bad idea. This is so difficult to do with one hand, so I'm gonna savor the rest of this, and it comes with these croutons. Can you hear that sizzle? Also, Some vegan cheese is made with chickpeas. Guys, like this tastes so good. I can't even feel like there is no cheese in it. Like this tastes so good. And then comes with this everything bagel seasoning already in it. So I'm gonna add all of that. Obviously red pepper because I'm gonna need the spice. I'm also gonna be adding these nuts, which is almond, Brazil nuts, cashew nuts, hazelnuts, and pecans, because I want to have like a little bit of a crunchy texture to it. Okay, that's the burger pieces chopped, and I'm going to add like all of this ranch actually. Salad ready. I've also put like 5 strawberries and banana because I want to inculcate eating fruits every single day like I've been saying. So this is the main meal, this is the dessert. I'm set. Look at that gorgeous sunset. I'm not able to enjoy that because I have my bedding and stuff that I'm assembling. Guys, I'm like so tired, but I am looking forward to sleeping on this bed happily tonight because I've been sleeping on this wooden floor all night. Okay guys, it's literally 1:05 and I finally set up my bed. This is what it looks like. That's my side table. There's like trash on the left side entirely, but I am going to just pass out now because I'm like completely dead and I don't have a pillow yet. Just using a jacket. I know my pillow will come tomorrow. I'm gonna crash, you guys. I'm like literally I'm off. Okay guys, today is day 4 of me moving in. Today is Thursday. That whole trolley has more Amazon packages, but I'm not showing you guys because it has my address on it, but I'm going to show you guys what I got. Like, there's a lot of Amazon packages coming in. Let me show you guys what I got from Amazon. Again, if you guys like home stuff, like cooking stuff, like basically setting up home stuff, you're actually going to like really like it. I got my memory foam mattress. Again, I slept like a baby last night. Like, I passed out, guys. I was out. I had no energy left. My back still hurts from trying to assemble the bed, which took over 6 hours, but I'm so proud of myself because I've never done that in my life. But yeah, I got my pillow. This is a collapsible colander. I got this oil spray bottle brush and funnel set. You just refill this, and this is your oil container, and you just spray it. And yeah, so it came with this. Yeah, so it came with this brush to clean it. Oh, cute! It came with this funnel to put oil. I'm so excited about this. Finally, I can cook in peace because I have 2 steel ladles and non-stick utensils. Which is like the worst combination ever. So I got this whole silicone cooking utensils set. Finally, I got some scissors. Functioning without scissors, I've cut on this hand. I have some nicks here. I have some nicks on my like thumb. Can you like really see? I've just been using my keys and a tweezer to like cut things out. So I got this beautiful container that it's like good heavy duty, and I can use this on my stove top. Okay guys, you just saw some fireworks that I went to. I went yesterday to watch some fireworks. I got up with a few friends. So that's it. Today is officially day 7 of me living by myself and doing all the moving stuff myself. There's still a lot more to do. I'll show you guys bits and pieces as I go, but I'm going to end this one here because it's going to be insanely long. My skin, my eye stuff is sort of like getting better and I started getting peeling on the sides of my face, like this part. I hate summer. I hate summer here, especially because I always deal with so many skin issues in the summer. It's like still peeling, but it's a lot better. It's not burning, it's not tired, it's feeling like super weird anti-inflammatory cream worked. The reason why I'm looking like a glazed donut is because I've slathered on 2 finger sunscreen. Like, I've been scrolling way too much TikTok. So yes, that is the end of this video. More good content to come. I'm gonna edit and post at least the part 1. Oh, my hand hurts. Part 1 ASAP, so that you guys get the update. And I will also try to be more active on Instagram. That is my semi 6 month past in a year kind of a goal. I don't know. I've been making coffee with this AeroPress machine, and I have got espresso grounds which do not work for AeroPress, but it's one of my favorite flavors, which is the Starbucks blonde one. It's one of my favorite flavors, so I'm just like letting it drip while I film the outro to this video. So yes, I hope you guys like it. It looks like I have such a big bruising on my face because of this, but it's okay. It's healing. It's getting better. I will see you in my next one. Bye.